I'm going to read you about galaxies. Love you, America. Love you, world. Love you, universe. Hope you're having a great day, lifting someone higher, being positive. You bring more positive electricity into the world, the more positive you are, the more happy you are, really. By the 20th century, more than 10,000 nebulae, cloud like luminous objects in the sky, had been discovered. Some were correctly identified as star clusters, and others as clouds of gas and dust. Those nebulae, which were spiral or elliptical in shape, were found in regions of the sky far from the glowing band, just like your memory band, that is our own Milky Way galaxy. Philosopher Immanuel Kant had written in 1775 that some of these fuzzy objects might be island universes apart from our own. But the idea remained speculative until 1923 to 24, when Edwin Hubble discovered variable stars, stars whose varying brightness makes their distance from the Earth calculable in some of these nebulae. This provided conclusive evidence that these systems were far enough away to be outside our own island universe, the Milky Way galaxy. We on an island? Galaxies range in size from small dwarf elliptical ones, with perhaps 1 million stars, to spiral galaxies containing 300 billion stars, to giant elliptical galaxies that may be home to more than 10 trillion stars. The diameters of galaxies range from 3,000 light years in dwarf elliptical galaxies to over 500,000 light years in giant elliptical galaxies. It is estimated that the Milky Way galaxy is about 100,000 light years in diameter with about 400 billion stars. Galaxies also congregate into clusters. The smallest are poor clusters of only a few dozen galaxies, while the largest, rich clusters may contain thousands. Oh, there's poor and rich ones, huh? The Milky Way is part of a poor cluster of about 3 dozen galaxies called Local Group. The largest galaxy of the Local Group is Andromeda, a spiral galaxy visible to the unaided eye in the constellation of Andromeda on a very dark night. The Milky Way is the second largest galaxy in this group. Most of others, most of the others are small. The solar system. The major planets of the solar system in order of mean distance from the sun are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. The dwarf planets in order of average distance from the sun are Ceres, located between Mars and Jupiter, Pluto, Haumea, Makemake, and then 2007 OR10, and Eris. All planets orbit counterclockwise around the sun as viewed above from the Earth's north pole.